Hello everyone! Today we're going to make everyone's favorite cheese burst pizza in just 10 minutes. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. For the toppings, you can choose whatever you like. For seasoning, I'm using chili flakes and oregano. I have some ready-made pizza sauce. For toppings, I'm using some chopped onions, some chopped pineapple, some green olives, some chopped ginger, chopped coriander leaves, chopped red bell pepper, chopped tomatoes. I have taken some shredded mozzarella cheese as well as mozzarella cheese slices. You can use any store-bought naan. Take 2 naans, they should be about the same size. Trim 1 centimeter of the outer edge of one of the naan. Place the sliced mozzarella cheese. Now place the smaller naan that we had cut earlier on the top. Add pizza sauce to cover the entire surface. Add shredded cheese. Adding all the toppings. Sprinkling the oregano and chili flakes on the top. Cook this on a low flame in a pan or place it in the oven.